Hello friends, nice to see you again. This is Monica from Impact Packaging.
When it comes to sticker materials, here are some common options. 1. Paper. Paper stickers are the most basic and widely used type. They are often printed on adhesive-backed paper and can have different finishes, such as matte or glossy. 2. Clear. Clear stickers are made from transparent materials. Foil. Foil stickers are made by applying a thin metallic or holographic foil layer on paper or vinyl material. They have a reflective and shiny appearance, making them eye-catching and visually appealing. As for sticker styles, here are a few more options. 1. Die-cut. Die-cut stickers are custom-shaped stickers that are cut around the design, rather than being a standard square or rectangular shape. They can feature intricate and unique shapes like logos, characters, or objects. 2. Square and rectangular shape bags, and these stickers can be on a piece of paper or in a roll. Style.
Welcome to contact us to custom your own bags. See you next time. Bye.